In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to connect Replit to GitHub. If you build in Replit, connecting it to GitHub gives you version control, safe backups, and an easy way to collaborate. We'll walk through the exact flow inside the Replit editor and make sure your GitHub account is securely linked so you can sync your code with confidence. Start by opening replit.com in your browser and signing in to your account. Once you're on your workspace, head to the dashboard and open the specific project you want to connect. It's a good idea to choose the project you actively work on, since that's the one you'll be syncing with GitHub. Inside the project editor, look toward the top of the interface for the Tools and Files area. Depending on your screen size, this may appear as a toolbar or a compact menu, but it will be near the top of the workspace. Open it so you can access Replit's developer tools. In the search bar within that tools area, type the word Git. This filters the available options and helps you quickly find Replit's built-in Git integration without digging through menus. Click on Git to open the Git panel. This is where you'll manage commits, view changes, and ultimately connect to GitHub. If it's your first time here, you may see prompts or a minimal interface. That's normal before linking an account. Next, look for the settings option within the Git panel. It's typically represented by a small gear icon. Open settings to find the account link controls you'll need. In settings, locate the GitHub section. This is where Replit ties your editor to your GitHub identity. When you're ready, click Sign In. A browser window or pop-up will open and take you to GitHub's authorization page. If you don't see the window, check your pop-up blocker and allow it for this step. If you're already logged into GitHub in your browser, you may skip directly to the authorization screen. On the GitHub authorization page, review the permissions that Replit requests. These allow Replit to read your repositories and push changes, which is necessary for syncing your code. When everything looks good, grant authorization. If prompted to choose between a personal account or an organization, pick the one that fits where your repository lives. After authorization, return to Replit. The Git panel should now recognize your GitHub account. From here, you can connect your project to a repository and manage commits and syncs directly from the editor. If anything doesn't update right